Ew! 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 Oh! Ah! Oh! This is it. And right now, I notice that I don't sit in the normal sitting position. Like I sit kind of slanted. If I sit the normal usual way, I'm not comfortable with it. I'm fine. I'm fine.
This guy is okay. You better edit this thing out. That's it.
So I've been having these severe pains, headache, like after close of work for almost 2 to 3 years. And it got to a point that I was even thinking of going for a medical total checkup until I had my first adjustment. That was towards late last year. And ever since then, the headache stopped. I just noticed that I no longer have that recurring headache most times. It just stopped automatically.
One of his biggest issue is his posture. Can see how no, don't try, don't switch now. Every time he's editing videos and I come into the room, I always tell him, look how you're sitting. So good news is that the last time we adjusted him was in Abuja, which was last year. So his experience, he got adjusted and then he ran away. So it wasn't easy. So it's not necessarily easy and fun for everyone. So, but he's here now. What are you feeling now?
And right now, I notice that I don't sit in the normal sitting position. Like I sit kind of slanted. If I sit the normal usual way, I'm not comfortable with it.
Oh, is the headache back?
No, I don't still have it.
You still don't have the headache?
Yeah.
So, like I mentioned, his sitting position is this rather than this. Especially he's on a system a lot. So, patients that come in, this is what I always tell them. Even with him, I try to tell him. But again, it's something that will take time. With time, the body will adapt easier and it will become more comfortable to sit like this. Okay, let's get this show on the road.
No, I won't be this.
It's my own. So the short leg is common, but it's not normal. So, and there's different kinds of short legs. Okay.
Further to you, I
What's your-
commit my spirit. This is Mbaji now. Okay, no problem. Go ahead, sir. Ew! Ah! Chibu! I didn't sign for this one. Go. Good. Help me. Well, it's not that bad. Ew! I'm okay now. I'm already okay.
No more.
Now I'll tell you back now.
I'm doing this one. Wait till you watch this video. You will see the thing Michael did do. You think you hired him. You bring your stomach down. I know you're afraid.
I'm afraid.
I know. But try to relax. Don't forget my hands are anointed. You understand? So I'm coming in here.
Ew! Cheeky. Oh, see, I promise you guys, it's just a way, but I'm fine. I'm not dead. Oh!
How you going? will scream more than.
It's a way of expressing. The more I scream, the more the pain eases.
The more you scream, the more the pain is.
Yes, that's why I'm screaming.
Oh wow. Deep breath in. And out. No, out.
Ow! Chimeo!
Now I enter. You can come up.
I'm fine.
You come to.
I'm fine. I'm a strong guy.
Bring your head over more.
Oh.
Bring your head up.
Oh.
Try it again. Relax. Relax. Down.
Oh. These people want to kill you.
Come on.
I didn't offend anybody.
You sit there. Let's
This is the one I want to experience. This is my favorite. People that are not experienced.
I like that. Bring your head up and down. Bring your hand to your side. Sides. Okay, bring it back to your stomach.
Oh. This is it. I'm still alive. Oh, it feels good.
It's not too bad.
No.
Did you feel it more in the neck or back or where?
I feel it was. I felt stretched.
Which area? The whole back or
Yeah.
more neck?
I think they call it thoracic.
No, cervical.
Okay.
Thoracic
This part.
is this area.
Okay, this part of the head was like a pull.
At least you didn't react. You didn't overreact.
No, I
The
didn't
way that-
overreact because I've seen a lot of people react.
What did you thought? Why did you overreact for this one? How did you see this one?
No, this one is a woman. I'm fine. I'm fine.
This guy, it's okay. You better edit this thing out. That's it. If you come on this thing, guys. You said you feel good in what way?
Yeah, it's like before it was like an heavy load on my body, but now I'm more free.
All,
They saw me.
all these jumping. I mean, you're something else.
No.
But at the same breath,
No.
all this jumping around, you know, go do them with the pain
No.
was intense.
Far better.
So you
I
do
I
better.
do this most of the time.
So it'd be better. The editing you do now would be better.
Yeah. Today I'm gonna work.